Ready. Our first partner. Good afternoon, ma'am and sir, especially to our visitor from Tole. I am Joshua D. Melante, ang transpiring to be a financial advisor na poblasyon, Muntinlupa.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Terence and I'm the Chinito from Tunasan, Muntinlupa City.
Sophia. I'm Sophia Jane Salis, ang cute dreamer ng poblasyon. My name is Darla, TikTokeris ng Camellia. Hi everyone, my name is Rayalyn Sakay, ang daldalera girl ng poblasyon.
Hi everyone, I'm Maria Teresa Pasagoto, you can call me Mon. Ang aming tita ng Muntinlupa.
Next! Go Isa! Joshua! My name is Clarissa Icandolita, ang aspiring HR professional ng poblasyon, Muntinlupa City.
Hi everyone, my name is Joshua Haljalak from Tunasan, Muntinlupa City, ang point guard ng La Guerta.
Hello everyone, I'm Maxine Bobby, the uncapable kikay ng Muntinlupa.
Hello everyone, I'm Timothy Valenton, ang aspiring IT specialist ng Putata, Muntinlupa City. Good day everyone, my name is Jerome Rables, ang aspiring ng marketing management ng poblasyon.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Feliz Angelica M. Vegas, ang future psychometrician ng Tunasan. Lydia. Hello everyone, I am Nigel A. Hipti, ang aspiring nurse ng Muntinlupa City.
Hello everyone, my name is Adrian Armadilla, aspiring automotive technician ng Putatan.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Diana Elizabeth Gonzalez, aspiring psychologist ng poblasyon.
Good afternoon everyone and have a great day and I'm Yevan Jan Ray, representing artist ng Muntinlupa.
Hi
everyone. My name is John Rainier Arsenal. I'm 19 years old. Ang gitarist ng Poblasyon.
I'm Evelyn Moreno, ang nursing student ng Muntinlupa.
Hi everyone! I'm Andres Evante, ang ever player ng Poblasyon.
Good day everyone, I'm Bertolo B. Morales, ang ICT basketball player ng Tunasan.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Shantin Santos, ang basketball player ng Poblasyon. I am Chanayan Radio, graduate of BSIT from IETI College. Ang hardworking probinsyano ng kaya lang